Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI for market research, a game-changing technique that can save you time and give you a competitive edge in your industry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to harness the power of AI to gain valuable insights about your target audience. First, let's start with the basics. What is AI-powered market research? Simply put, it's the use of artificial intelligence to analyze large data sets and identify patterns, trends, and correlations that can inform your marketing decisions. With AI, you can quickly process and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, such as social media, customer feedback, and online reviews. To get started, you'll need a few tools. One of the most popular AI-powered market research tools is Google Cloud's AI platform. This platform offers a range of machine learning APIs that can help you analyze your data and gain insights. Another popular tool is Hootsuite Insights, which uses